Hi guys, Bill Bassett here with an update on our fresh odour control products. Most importantly, our urinal screens. These are, in my opinion, the best urinal screens in the world. But this one is brand new and it is called, as you can see, a slant. So by having all of these tiny plastic surfaces come up, this is going to stop any urine splashing on the floor or back on people's trousers. Keeping it off the floor is a good thing because normally cleaners just push it around on the floor and it walks through your facility. So the more fragrance we can have and the bacteria in these screens and the more surface area we can have releasing it, the better they will work. So these screens, this is called Slant 7, available in a range of fragrances. And for you contractors or large facilities, you can actually get them with your own name on them in relatively small runs. So ask your cleaning supply shop for your own urinal screens and make sure that people realize that you are doing the cleaning and you are putting effort into making their washrooms smell better. Now, one new product that we finally got is our Fresh air fresheners. Now, these are to replace your old air fresheners that sometimes can affect people's respiratory systems and can put too much product straight down onto the floor. These take the same type of plastic infused with fragrance as the urinal screens, but it goes in this dispenser, and this dispenser will start off on the first day delivering a little bit of airflow through a fan and a battery every 5 minutes or 10 minutes, and gradually at the end of the month it will be working all of the time. So these seriously work better than an aerosol system, but without the loss in fragrance every 20 minutes or every 30 minutes. So consistent odor control in all of your women's or men's, and there's some beautiful fragrances in here that are more spa-like fragrances. Now, the slant is also available in a mini size. It's for smaller urinals. So if you are looking for a more economical solution or for smaller pig's ear urinals, you can get the slant in a slant 6 and not 7. And for your large trough urinals, the stainless steel ones, we have a range of trough or Zeus screens that will work perfectly and give you the right amount of odor control for those large areas. So all of these products can be private labeled under your brand, and for your larger contractors, I would seriously suggest you put your name on them and make sure people are aware that you're responsible for making their facilities smell better. Have a great day. I'm Bill Bassett.